All right, welcome back to another edition of Energy Can Man. It's a Friday morning, and we're gonna got a little something special for y'all today. Get this grind started on this morning. All right, well, I don't know if y'all know or not, but I just did the review on the new Monster Zero Sugar. Very impressed with it. Yes, it don't taste like the original Monster, but damn, it's still good, and I still like it. Definitely one of my new go-to energy drinks. So I definitely had to get it again this week here. United did a review on it last week. And of course, I have here my low carb Monster, low carb, what I used to drink before they came out with this, but now this replaces this, essentially. But anyway, well, I don't know if you ever watched my first video. If you go all the way down to the bottom, I'm eventually make a playlist where I can categorize them all. But you go always to the bottom, the first one. Well, what I did was an energy drink I made back when I used to work nights. I mixed a regular mean green with a low carb. I just so happened to do it at a freak incident at work. That's all I had was one of each, and I mixed them together. And I was drinking them, and ended up being really good. I ended up being a successful thing. So I did a video on that to show you. I kind of thought that'd be cool to be the first video. Well, I'm gonna go back now and do another one, and it's just kind of a fun retake. I'm gonna mix these two today and see what they taste like. So see if it tastes any better than it with a sugary, original Monster, or it's just better with the new zero sugar and the low carb. I want to really mix it. It came up my idea in my head, and I really want to do it. So before I start on this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment on this. All right, kind of weird on me, but I went and broke out the pickle jar. That was the only thing I had in the dishwasher. I took and washed in the dishwasher. That was clear. Y'all could see through last night. So that's what we got to work with. Besides, I'm from the South. We usually drink out of pickle jars. All right, which one do I want to crack open first? I'm not really going to go to reviews and nothing like that. I have already done individual reviews on these. This is just a more fun experiment. Just something fun to do on a Friday morning. One disclaimer though is these are my two energy drinks for the day. Remember that, guys. You don't want to drink no more than these two a day. I wouldn't recommend three. If you start doing three energy drinks a day, you'll just be running into health issues because that's just a little too much for your body. But I would say if you do these two, the only thing gonna tough for me is that once you do, I want to do the Saturday morning. But once you do these two, that, like I said, I mean, you kind of need to cut yourself off beer and drink for the rest of the day, or a lot of caffeine as well. All right, that's the only claim I got on this. So, all right, I'm not sure which one I want to do. All right, we'll put the low sugar in first. That's a little more yellow than I remember it being. All right, we're gonna fill this bad boy halfway. If we can tell, we got it halfway. Oh. Yeah, a little like halfway in there. All right. My eyes broke up in the middle there. I think I got more of the green one in there than I do the. Yeah, it was like almost in. It's like right here, somewhere in there. This thing's still like full. Oh well. Alrighty then. Let's give it a little good stir here. There you go. Check that out. So, all right. Like I said, so we got low carb and sugar-free energy drink mixed together. Let's see how they do. So we know it still got a real good strong. It does smell like the original Monster, so it just still got that to it. Let me take one more sip before I tell you what it tastes like. Hold on. I hate to say it, but I think I like this. It definitely was a good combination. And the issue with it is it needs that sugar, that sweetness from the original monster. The original monster gave that little sugar to it, and that made it what kind of popped, I think. Because this one, it's like you taste both of these at the same time together. I mean, you get, but it definitely, if you like that low carb blue taste, you definitely, because it like enhances that flavor. But then, like, you get all that at the beginning. But then when you go to swallow it, it's just like it goes flat on you. It's like there's no like aftertaste, and it just kind of flattens out. There's nothing there. Cause like at least with the sugary one, when you drink the original monster, is what you tasted all that sugar at first. You know, you tasted the green monster first, and then when it went back, you know, when you swallowed it, then you would get the low carb taste. So you would kind of get this one. It's kind of like it just hits you with the low carb or the sugar free. Cause they kind of are. That's why I want to do a video on these. They both kind of are similar tasting to me. So I thought it'd be a cool video to do. I hate to say it, I really would mix a Monster Green, no sugar, you know, with all sugar with this one. I mean, it's still not bad. It tastes really good. But I gotta admit that original monster was better. Yeah, that sugar, that sweetness in it, man. It really gave it that pop to it, I think. But I don't know. Maybe we need to go back. I'll do a 3-part. I'll go get another one, and I'll make the zero sugar monster, and I'm gonna mix it with a regular monster and see what we get from there. I think I'm gonna go back and do one more on that. But it was a experiment. I don't think I would call it a failure, but I would say it won't as successful as I thought it was going to be. I'll put it like that. The hypothesis didn't go out quite like I thought it would. But, all right, that's all I got for this one here. I got to get on the work, get on the road and get to work. And grind this last day out so I can enjoy my weekend. Hoping y'all can do the same. And that's all I got for y'all on this lovely Monday morning. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend.